afternoon, Leif.
Hi there.
And I'm very pleased to have you here in the interview.
Great to be here.
Could you please introduce yourself briefly?
Yeah, so I'm Leif Bohlin. I just joined the board of Jacamo. I'm working as the CEO of a TMS company called Unifaun. I have spent the last, or basically my whole career within supply chain, both on the manufacturing side, working for Saab and General Motors for a couple of years. Then I've been in the consulting industry, and then for the last 20 years I've been on the providing SaaS-solutions to the supply chain industry.
Thank you. Could you please tell your opinion or your view about the manufacturing industry? What is the main challenges in supply chain management?
I think there are a few challenges for the supply chain industry in manufacturing. One is that they would face speed. We see that in all different industries that speed is becoming more and more important. We see also that disruptive new ideas coming up. We have seen a number of examples in other industries. I think that will also hit the manufacturing industry, and you will see that in supply chain as well. Yeah. So I think that is one. I think collaboration and visibility are two other areas which we will also see that how can we actually leverage the people in the organization in a more dynamic and faster and more agile way. And then we also have the whole visibility thing where new technology then enable visibility, and which is also then supporting agile, to be more agile, working more dynamic and so on. So I think these are trends that is not purely from the manufacturing industry, but these are more global trends, and I think we will see them in this industry as well. Yeah,
I agree. What about the technological or digital hype we are living in? The industry gets lots of new technological breakthroughs all the time. Yeah. What should manufacturing companies think about this? How to react and how to act with those?
I think it's, first of all, we have to understand that it's a fact. It's part of our society, it's part of our daily life. And that will also affect basically all industries as well, so manufacturing as well. There is no silver bullet for this. We will see an increased flow of new technology, new techniques and so on coming on board. And it's going to be a challenge to actually choose between these different ones and to be selective, because there will be a constant flow of new technologies and things. But I think it has to start with your core competences, your core business, what is relevant for you, what is relevant for your organization, your culture. You can't adopt to all of this because then you will get stuck. So being curious, being open for this, have the radar on, but also be selective, because otherwise you will get stuck in all these things.
I agree. Okay, finally, we would like to listen your recommendations for those manufacturing companies who are planning the digital transformation journey. What would you like to say to them?
I think it's very much about start small, do the pilots, do the proof of concept, do the homework, because this actually starts within the organization, with the people, with the processes. Technology is not the silver bullet. If you have other problems, if your processes are not working, if you're not organized in the right way, technology will not solve that. Yeah. But it can definitely help you to become more efficient, to be more transparent in the organization, but you have to do the homework. You need to know where you're starting from. And when you start small. There is no giant leap to the right solution. You have to start and adopt to new ways of working.
Exactly. Thank you, Leif. It was a pleasure.
Thank you. Great to be here.